Hi guys, are you growing a garden this year? Did you know banana peel water is a nutritional kitchen byproduct that can be used to fertilize your plants because of the minerals it contains? Essential for plants development. Minerals and nutrients, when extracted from banana peels, can be used as fertilizer for our plants. Banana peel water supplies plants with a substantial amount of potassium, which is a macronutrient used to develop immunity for the plant to environmental stress and pests while promoting healthy plant growth. There's lots of benefits. It is a nutrient-rich water obtained either by boiling the banana peels or like I do, I store them in a container for about 5 days. And then the water provides the plant with an organic source of nutrients that promotes plant growth while preventing the deficiencies associated with low potassium, like scorching of leaves, curling of leaf tips, things like that. The water obtained from the banana peels contains so many minerals that your plants need in order to produce green, healthy leaves. Banana peels also are an economical and environmentally friendly way of supplying organically derived essential minerals to your plants. Although the banana peel does not make up like a significant portion of the banana, it actually has the same type of minerals contained in the edible portion. So here's a breakdown of some of the things that you can get from banana peels. So first and foremost, potassium. That stimulates the movement of water and nutrients in your plant and regulates photosynthesis. Magnesium also promotes photosynthesis. Why am I having trouble? And manganese supports root growth and resistance to pathogens. Also has calcium, provides structural support to the cell wall of the plant, and iron synthesis of chlorophyll and helps like with the green leaves. Now, benefits of potassium in plants is it's a mineral and it is also an electrolyte. It conducts electrical impulses just like in the human body. In plants, the electrolyte performs a very similar task in the transportation of water and sugars. It is classified as a macronutrient because plants take up large quantities of potassium, which is vitamin K, during their life cycle. Other macronutrients that they use are nitrogen and phosphorus. Now, these three together are the nutrients that your plants need the most. Potassium also helps plants develop an overall immunity to environmental stress due to changing weather conditions. And plants deficient in potassium are less resistant to drought and fluctuating temperatures, less resistant to pests, diseases, and other things. So it's a really good thing when you add the banana peel water to your plants to give them a great start this year. You can also, so I'm going to pour this banana peel water in my watering can and fill the rest up with water. And then I will lay the leaves out, the banana peel, I'll call them leaves. I'm going to lay them out to dry. And once they're dried, I'm going to pulverize them into a powder, or at least as fine as I can. And that will make it easier for me to break it down and put it on the plant so that those minerals have a slow release. Pulverizing it into the powder also increases the surface area and the amount of nutrients that will get into the soil. Adding the peels to the soil without breaking it up much will cause kind of a slower release, and I want them to get those nutrients quickly. You can use banana peel water for your succulents too. It is amazing, not only in your garden, but for your houseplants. So for your succulents, you can add a little bit of the banana peel water to, this is the Norwex Forever spray bottle, and you would apply it as a spray. As succulents really don't need a ton of water, but they do need it a little bit. So incorporating that into your routine of caring for your succulents will give you great results. And they only require a very small amount. So happy harvesting. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a shot and see how it works for you. Have a great day. I'll see you guys soon.